Hi, my name's Gerry, and I'm a Twin Troller Boat Owner.
The following Twin Troller owner has contributed to this channel more than once. And here he is again. In the description below this video, there are links to most of the items used in many of my videos. They are there so you can locate them in case you are interested. My friend Robert and I went fishing on the 5th to a lake 2 hours southwest of us called Columbia. Bassmaster has it listed as one of the best bass lakes in the central part of the U.S. It was a hot day, but we managed to catch 5, the smallest being 3.2 pounds and the biggest 4.6. We had a great time and will return because there are bigger fish there to catch. I sent a picture of the 4.6 pound bass, which I was fortunate enough to catch. I knew you'd appreciate our little adventure, and I wanted to share it with you. Dennis. You may remember this Twin Troller owner from a previous video that I did titled, OMG Ted, Look at What You Did. Hey Gerry, nice couple of videos recently on the Troller dolly. I have the old style dolly, but I haven't had to use it. I had some difficulty launching yesterday in a small lake with a real shallow water boat ramp. I had to push the boat off the trailer for the first time because I just couldn't get it in any farther, or my Jeep would have been floating and the boat still not. I realized it would be a lot easier with a little platform instead of balancing on the trailer beam like a gymnast. So I built a step today. I thought I'd show others if you want to share. It looks like it will be just what the fishing doctor ordered for both launching and retrieving times when you have to climb out onto the trailer. Oh yeah, and here's one of the bass I pulled in on a Senko that morning in a new lake we tried for the first time. The boat's been awesome fun, and anyone that fishes with me thinks it's awesome as well. The casting platforms work as I'd hoped they were. Anyone should have one or two. Can't imagine it now without it. My trailer is longer than the standard trailer that comes with the Twin Troller. I made the platform out of 2 1x6s glued and screwed together, and attached it with an aluminum cube pipe from Home Depot, cut into 6 pieces and 4 long carriage bolts. Then I covered it with a piece of old car weather mat to keep it from being slippery. Should work out great. Talk to you later. Ted. This is something a Twin Troller X10 owner has been working on. I do not want to expose his project, but I thought I would tease you the way he teased me. His idea is still in the design phase, but he is making progress behind the scenes. When he is ready, I will let him reveal his own project. What do you think it could be? So don't forget to subscribe, or give me a thumbs up, click on the bell, share with your friends, or leave comments and questions below.